Residents in a Doral neighborhood say they want clean air in their community. Last year, a trash incinerator went up in flames in Doral.
And tonight they are demanding that an incinerator that went up in flames a year ago not be replaced with another one. CBS News Miami's Morgan Reiner has more.
Maria Claudia grew up in Doral,
and my entire family still resides there. I remember getting up to go to school in the morning and smelling the chemical odors every day. The fire last year served as a wake-up call, and for the first time, I started hearing many more of my neighbors to ask questions about the toxins we were exposed to all throughout those years.
So did Patricia Villar.
My two kids were born there, and we have been breathing the air surrounding the incinerator basically more than, in my case, half of my life, in my kids' case, their entire life.
They joined nonprofit organizations and elected officials Thursday morning to urge Miami-Dade County not to rebuild the trash incinerator in Doral that lit up in flames a year ago.
Since people have walked the earth, the two most preferred ways of getting rid of the garbage has been to burn it or to bury it. And here we are, hundreds of thousands of years later, and we continue to do the very same thing. The difference today is we know better.
Miramar Mayor Wayne Messam said while in Broward, his city is directly impacted by the incinerator as well.
It's an eighth of a mile from the city of Miramar. Our residents deserve the opportunity to continue to breathe the fresh air that we breathe right now.
The environmental nonprofits came out with an 18-page report highlighting what they think the county should do immediately.
So the first thing is to create a timeline for developing the Doral site cleanup and reclamation plan. We want to make sure that there's restitution sought. We don't want to create a similar situation.
Other points include creating a zero-waste public education plan. Morgan Reiner, CBS News, Miami.